Grilled vegetable and quinoa stuffed bell peppers with pesto sauce. This recipe is not only delicious but also healthy and visually appealing. Ingredients. For the stuffed bell peppers: 1. 4 large bell peppers, any color. 2. 1 cup quinoa, rinsed and drained. 3. 2 cups vegetable broth, or water. 4. 2 cups mixed grilled vegetables, e.g., zucchini, eggplant, red onion, bell pepper. 5. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 6. 1/2 cup feta cheese, crumbled, optional. 7. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 8. Salt and pepper to taste. For the pesto sauce: 1. 1 cup fresh basil leaves. 2. 1/3 cup pine nuts. 3. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 4. 2 cloves garlic. 5. 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil. 6. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. For the stuffed bell peppers: preheat your grill to medium-high heat. In a medium saucepan, bring the vegetable broth, or water, to a boil. Stir in the quinoa, reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for about 15–20 minutes, or until the quinoa is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Fluff the quinoa with a fork. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, grilled vegetables, cherry tomatoes, and crumbled feta cheese, if using. Cut the tops off the bell peppers and remove the seeds and membranes. Brush the outside of the peppers with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Stuff the peppers with the quinoa and vegetable mixture. Grill the stuffed peppers over medium-high heat for about 10–15 minutes, turning occasionally, until the peppers are charred and tender. For the pesto sauce: in a food processor, combine the fresh basil, pine nuts, grated Parmesan cheese, and garlic. While the food processor is running, slowly drizzle in the olive oil until the mixture is well combined and forms a smooth sauce. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve. Drizzle the grilled vegetable and quinoa stuffed bell peppers with the pesto sauce. Garnish with additional fresh basil leaves and pine nuts, if desired. This dish is a perfect combination of grilled, vibrant flavors, and the pesto sauce adds a burst of freshness. It's a great choice for a healthy and delicious meal. Enjoy! Grilled